Okay, so this one here, as you can see, it's solve each system by graphing. We have a system of linear equations. And if you recall, we had a model, right? Y equals mx plus b. So if I take this first one here, okay, I'm going to try to match that model. So it looks like my x term should be on the right side, but it's not, it's on the left. My b term should be on the right side, but it's not, it's on the left. So I gotta move these two to the other side of the equal. I'm gonna put the x first and then the b term second. Don't forget, every time you move from one side to the other, you're gonna change the sign. The 3y stays the same. My x becomes negative x, and my b becomes plus 6. Right? The b term, if it's a 6, becomes plus 6. Of course, you need to always have the y as a positive 1. The only way to do that, when I get rid of the times 3, I have to divide by 3. Same sign, same everything, so that you can keep a positive 1y. And then that gives you here, it's an invisible negative 1, so that's a negative 1 over 3x. And then you have a 6 divided by 3 is 2. And this one is ready to graph. And if you do the second one there, again, remember the model. You got y equals mx plus b. I'm going to do this one in red. So I have a 0 right there. I have a 9y right there, plus minus 4x, negative 81. So as you can see here, the y is in the left side, that's okay. My x should be on the right side, put it right there. And my b term should also be on the right side. Don't forget, every time you switch sides, cross the line, change the sign, all the time. And that's my rhyme, to be sublime. Okay. And don't forget to divide by 9 right there, correct? Because you want to leave that y by itself. So I ended up as a positive 1 right there. And you have 4 over 9x. You can't do very much anymore there. 81 divided by 9 can actually become 9. And you finish this one. So let's graph them both, okay? The blue one there starts at the 2. That's your y-intercept. And your slope happens to be negative 1 over 3. Don't forget, it's change of y over change of x. So if your y is negative, it goes down. If your x is positive, it goes to the right. Right? Negatives are over here for the y, positives over here. Positives to the right on the x, negatives to the left. So starting at the 2, I'm going to go 1 down and 3 to the right. 1 down and 3 to the right. 1 down and 3 to the right. Got it? Once I finish that side, I can also go the opposite direction, which is 1 up and 3 to the left. And I can pretty much connect the dots right there, right? Alrighty. Now I'm going to grab the red one. This one starts at the 9. And I'm supposed to, that's my y-intercept right there, right? My slope is the number next to the x, which is 4 over 9. Don't forget, it's change of y over change of x. So on the y, the top one, it's a positive, so positive numbers go up. On the x on the bottom, it's positive, positive numbers go to the right. But I notice here I cannot go 4 up and 9 to the right, so I'm going to be opposite direction. That's 4 down and 9 to the left. 1, 2, oops, from here, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 down and 9 to the left. So now I can connect those two. Connect the dots. And it looks like our intersection, or our intersecting point, is that one there. So that means that our answer is negative 9, 5. In other words, your x is negative 9 and your y is 5.